Okay, ladies and gentlemen, here's the goal that's set before us. We need to build a shed. Now that shed is going to be fairly simple. It's really just going to be a box that is 14 wide, 16 deep, 10 tall. Then on top of that, we're going to put a roof, and that roof is going to be a straight triangular prism. It's going to have a door in the front, and the whole goal of this shed is not just to store my lawnmower and my rototiller, but also to store a number of trees that have been cut, dried, and milled at the sawmill for use in making furniture. And so with that in mind, we just need to start planning for what this shed is going to look like. Now, one of the easiest ways to plan things out is to make a scale drawing. Well, in our case, a scale drawing would be nothing more than a rectangle on the ground. So that would be okay. That's easy enough, 14 by 16. But I think to help some of you visualize what's going on, what we're going to do is we're going to make a three-dimensional model. We're going to use a square. This, by the way, is called a T-square. Anyone want to guess why? Now, sometimes if I say I'm using a square, I'll be using an L square. Any thoughts as to why? In all cases, the most important thing for each of these tools is that there's a 90-degree angle at the corner. That 90-degree angle means every one of these corners is going to be nice and true. So if I say something is true or something is square, it means it's 90 degrees, just like the corner of a square. So even though this is not a square, a carpenter calls this a framing square. This, on the other hand, is a drywaller's square. But in either case, we're going to put them to use. So let's go ahead and get started.